Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the right selection and the timeline on. Once ready, pick the exact bodies or components you want. Use the Move command and check Create Copy to duplicate geometry with Control, or press Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V for a fast duplicate. Do this because copying as a component preserves parametric links and joints, which saves rework later. Make sure Design History is enabled. Otherwise, Fusion 360 will flatten changes, and you will lose the ability to edit the copy cleanly. Once done with the initial copy, position it deliberately. Activate Move/Rotate and type exact distances or angles to avoid guesswork. Use the origin, construction planes, or a face edge as a snap reference so parts align predictably. If you're assembling, convert pasted geometry into a component immediately. This gives you the ability to apply joints or as-built joints and keeps motion behavior intact. Make sure to check for interference and adjust placement before creating rigid or revolute joints, so constraints behave as expected. Finish by turning the copy into a proper component, create required joints, and update any driven parameters so the assembly behaves correctly. Save a new version or use Insert into current design to move copies between files while preserving links. If you run into problems, paste disabled, missing history, or broken links. Check that Design History is on. Otherwise, export the part as a step or archive, then re-import. That workaround maintains geometry if Fusion's direct paste refuses to cooperate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.